It's time we start introducing some abnormal operations into our flight plans. For this exam, the operations we need to consider are depressurized flights, yaw damper inoperative, tail skid extended, landing gear extended, and one engine inoperative flights, so that's engine failures. For each of the different abnormal operations, they've got their own penalties. As you can imagine, flying with a gear down or a tail skid extended or even an engine failed would have some sort of penalty for the flight. So we've got to consider each of those. What we're going to do in this abnormal operations section, we're going to be going through each of the different abnormal situations. We'll talk about the penalties and then we'll do an example in a separate video. So each of the different sections here, you're going to find 2 videos in each post. Now it can sometimes be overwhelming looking at all these different abnormal situations and all the different penalties that you have to remember. But it's good to understand that every abnormal flight plan is just a very slight variation of a normal flight plan. So when we fly depressurized, for example, we plan it the exact same way. We just happen to use different cruise data figures. We use a different section of the book. Same with yaw damper inoperative, tail skid extended, landing gear extended. We just make very slight variations onto the normal flight plan. And after a couple of questions, you'll realize that they're not actually as daunting as you may think. So we're going to start with depressurize and then we'll move from there.